Hello, you are welcome to the Math Classroom. Thank you to my subscribers. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share among your network. This session is for those in Basic 4 or Grade 4 or what you also call Class 4. In our lesson today, we are looking at the place value of numbers. Numbers are very important in our daily lives. We are either counting, taking steps, talk about money. It's all about numbers. All about numbers. All other counting numbers are a combination of these numbers. So you have one number, you're adding up to one number, you're always adding something, combinations together, and you get what we call the number system. So that if I have different numbers, if I have 2, 3, 4, I'm calling it the number system. This is what I'm calling the number system. But if I pick each of the numbers, if I pick any, let's say I pick 3, is what we are calling what? A digit. We are calling that word a digit. And to know your place of a number or the place value, we use what we call the place value chart. The place value chart. And for the place value chart, we have what? We have the ones, the tens, the hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, on and on. So that you realize that this is the chart I have. So you see your ones here. This is your 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and millions. It's very important to know this place value charts because when you do, it becomes easier to deal with the numbers, to call out the numbers as well. And these numbers can be formed by separating it into groups of what? 3 digits. Into groups of what? 3 digits. So that if I want to write a number and I want to put it, so I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are saying you can write it. The standard form is separated into groups of what? 3 digits, starting from where? The right to our left. So we count 1, 2, 3. So this is one word period or one word group. And this one group from the left, you count 1, 2, 3. We are saying you have the ones period. If I count another 1, 2, 3, I have what? My thousands period. So this is my ones period, thousands period. Then you move to your millions words period. So this is the period we have. Now, knowing this, why are we even talking about the commas? If I use the comma between the periods, it makes it words easier to read my numerals words easily. Example, let's say I had this number 4, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 6. If I give this number to you to call out, for the first time, it looks what? A very large number, and it looks difficult to what? Read out. But immediately I put the comments, it becomes what? Easier to tell. the place they belong to. So that you could have 1, 2, 3. You know you are in the ones period, 1, 2, 3. I know I'm in the words thousands period. Then if I move again, then I know I'm in the millions period. So already I know that this number is worth in millions. That is how powerful commas are. Commas are. So now let's look at the place of words and number. If I have a number and I want to find the place, how do I go about it? So let's take an example. So let's say I have this number. If I ask you to find the place of 8, how do you find the place of 8? We can use the place value chart to do that. And from the left, we know that this is what 8. So we have what 8. You have 2, 6, and what 3. So it becomes easier to find the place of what 8. So the place of 8 here, you realize that the place of 8 here is what 1. You see how easy it is to use the place value chart. How about the place of 6? Let's check from here. So we have ones, tens, and hundreds. So the place of 6 here is what? Hundreds. That is the place of what? 6. How about the place of what? 3? The place of 3 is what? Thousands. Thousands. That is the place of what? 3. But if I ask you, what is the place value? The place value is the value of the number. The value of the number. So that I can ask you for the place and I can equally ask you for the place what? Value. And the place value of 8 is what? 8 1. So you have like 8 times 1, which is what? 8. The place value of 6 is what? 6 times what? Your 100. So the place value of 6 is going to be what? 600. So you have 600. Then the place value of 3 is what? It's in thousands. I have 1, 2, 3, which is what? 3 words, 1,000. 3 words, 1,000. You see how easier it is. Let's take other examples. Let's take the number. Let's say for 2, I have 5, 3, 2, 1, 7, 8, 6. 1, 2, 3. If I ask you to find the place and place value, yes, then easy so we use the place value chart. Nti me use place value chart. Sabon say higher ones, higher tens, we 100, 1,000, we are 10,000, we be 100,000. Now we are the million. Nti ebisa we say place of 7 place of 7 ebe ahe. When we say aye easier so obehu. Nti place of 7 ahe 100. Na place value of 7 nso den. Eni ni ye value na 7 den ewo no. Nti wo ha value ni ye den 700. nti yɛwɔ ahe 7 then 100. Ɛno nso yɛ wobɛtumi aka sɛ yɛ 7 times then 100 ɛna ɛma wɔ ahe 7 then 100 no. Yɛmfa ne sɛ mabisa wei yɛ place value. Mabisa wo place of 2. Place of 2 ɛyɛ ahe? Yɛnhwɛ wei yɛ ones, tens, 100, 1000. Wei yɛ ahe? Wei yɛ 1000. Ɛna wei yɛ ahe? 10 ahe? 1000. So no yɛnhu ne yie nti ma menhwɛ wɔ ha. 10 ahe? 1000. Nti wohwɛ a place of 2 ɛyɛ ahe? 10,000. 10,000. Nso place value no. Place value of 2 ɛbɛyɛ ahe? Ɛbɛyɛ 2 times ahe? 10 ahe? 1000. Ɛna ɛbɛma wɔ ahe? 20 then 1000. Ɛno ne ahe? Place value of the 2 no. 2 na ɛyɛ times ahe? 10,000. Ne yɛnya ahe? 20 then 1000. Wei nso ɛma ne yɛ easier to read the numbers or to call out the numbers. Nti yɛn next lesson no, yɛbɛkyerɛ numbers no na with place value chart no, yɛtumi de afrɛ numbers no. We write it in words using the place value chart. Until our next lesson, take care and practice more. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Bye.